Right, here we are at Vic Firth booth at the Housewares show here in Atlanta, Georgia, and I'm talking to Dick Smith, who is with Vic Firth. And Dick, tell me about Vic Firth.
Well, Vic Firth got started 49 years ago as a drumstick manufacturer. Today we're the largest drumstick manufacturer. We make close to 95,000 drumsticks a day, 6 days a week.
Wasn't he a musician himself?
He was. He was at the Boston Symphony for 50 years.
Okay.
Retired after 50 years, and next year will be our 50th anniversary making drumsticks.
Okay, now after making drumsticks, he went on to something else, right?
Correct. Well, 12 years ago we bought a factory in Newport, Maine that has been there since 1856. They made peppermills and rolling pins and a variety of other items. So when Vic bought the factory, he continued the peppermill and rolling pin division along with making drumsticks in that factory.
All right, I'm going to scan the table and look at the rolling pins and the peppermills, and then you're going to show one to us. All right, here we go. These are the Vic Firth rolling pins, all different sizes. And there's a tall peppermill. And here's one. Well, you've got a lot of colors, don't you? All right, now if you would, demonstrate one of these mills for us and tell us why it's a great mill.
I will. One thing that makes Vic Firth unique is that we buy all of our own wood from FSC wood suppliers. So it's very important to Vic that we support this valuable resource.
What is FSC?
The Forestry Stewardship Council.
Okay.
For every tree they take out of the woods, they plant 10 trees to take that one. So it's very hard certification to get, and you have to got to put me on pause there, David.
And this is American wood?
It is. We get all of our maple and hickory are the woods that we use for the peppermills from Maine, so it's a local resource for us.
Excellent.
We also dry the wood to the right moisture content. So this wood is at about 7% moisture, so it'll never warp and it'll never crack.
Okay.
Which is very, so we have a lifetime guarantee on the body as well. The mechanism, you change from fine to coarse by turning the top. If you turn the top nut very slowly clockwise, you'll feel it locking into place as with each turn. So clockwise for fine, counterclockwise for a coarser grind.
Okay.
So once you set the grind and you're using the peppermill, that will never change until you want to change the grind.
Okay. Well, I apologize for cutting your head off and looking at that mill while we did that, but thanks a lot, Dick.
Well, you want to do the pop-out part or not?
Oh yeah, let's do it. Let's look at that.
Because I think really that's a very important part of our mill drawing.
So you can take this mill apart.
Correct. One of the problems with pepper mills over the years, you get pepper residue that gets built into the grinding chamber. With our mills, you just take the top off, empty out the peppercorns, and you can pop this mechanism out for easy clean. Just run a little brush or a cloth. Once you get it all cleaned up, you pop this back into the mill. Use your 2 thumbs, pop it back into place. You've got a brand new pepper mill.
Excellent.
Built that lasts a lifetime.
Thank you.
You're welcome.